pursuing enlightenment. Modes of nature. Goodness.
Modes of nature, goodness. Goodness, passion, and ignorance are the three modes of nature which are actually built in your mind. You use it in varied quantities. Sometimes one quantity is dominant, sometimes it is mixed. It is difficult to understand what is happening unless you see yourself. Now, in the mode of goodness, a person becomes more ethical. In this mode, compassion in a person increases and they start doing things the right way and ultimately also benefit materialistically. But after some time, even in the mode of goodness, a person gets fed up because they always cannot be in the mode of goodness. Nature at times drags you to passionate or ignorant mode as well. Once a person gets fed up with these cyclic things happening, they go in search to find if there is something more. Questions such as who am I? Where have I come from? Have I just got born accidentally? Such questions bother them and they seek the truth.